Thanks for joining me today at InvestorIdeas.com, Cleantech and Climate Change podcast, looking at today's problems and solutions for the future. I'm your host, Dawn Van Zandt, founder of InvestorIdeas.com, and hoping to share our way of making a difference in climate change. Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Cleantech and Climate Change podcast at Investor Ideas. What a great day to be a clean tech investor. Clean energy stocks are on the move in a big way today following news that U.S. Senate Democrats have agreed on a new deal for climate and energy legislation for a new reconciliation package that would result in investing nearly $370 billion in the sector. This deal was the biggest amount of funding ever allocated to tackling climate change. At the time of the podcast, Plug Power, trading in the NASDAQ, PLUG, is leading the pack, up over 24% on the day. Fuel Cell Energy, trading in the NASDAQ, FCEL, is up 5.8%. Bloom Energy Corporation, trading on NYSE, BE, is up over 15%. And a lot of the solar stocks have had big gains, including SunPower Corporation, trading on the NASDAQ, SPWR, up over 16%. And Clean Energy Fuels Corp, NASDAQ, CLNE, is up over 5%. I don't want to sound negative, but don't be surprised to find out down the road that leading Democrats, including Nancy Pelosi and her husband, may have invested in the sector prior to this agreement. But you only have to pay a $100 fine for insider trading to see a sector move this big like it did today. I guess we would all probably pay the $100. That's it for today. Have a great day and hope you are long in this sector and hope you're getting some great wins today. That's it for today. Do something great for this beautiful planet each and every day. To hear more Clean Tech podcasts, visit the Clean Tech and Climate Change page on Investor Ideas. You can find it on our top template. Also, Investor Ideas has a lineup of other podcasts and themes, including the AII, the Crypto Corner, our cannabis podcast called Cannabis News and Stocks on the Move, rated one of the top investor podcasts in the sector, Play by Play, a podcast looking at sports and esports news, and Exploring Mining. To listen to any of our podcasts, visit our podcast page on Investor Ideas at investorideas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available to you. If you like any of our podcasts, we would appreciate you recommending them or reviewing them on your audio platform. And to help you follow and track clean tech and renewable energy stocks, Investor Ideas has created a directory of publicly traded stocks in the sector. You can find that by going to our homepage, looking on the sidebar and looking at renewable energy and environmental themes, and you'll find our stock directories there. Investor Ideas does remind all of investors to read our disclaimers and disclosures on our site. You can find them at investorideas.com/about-disclaimer.asp. It is important to read these. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded that all investment involves risk and a possible loss of investment. Thank you again and have a great day.